you were trading TIA?
TIA, yeah. So originally
Yeah.
I doubled a TIA bag and then took the profits from that and made a SEI bag. And then I started rainbow trading TIA and SEI at the same time, and then playing the arbitrages between Coinbase and Kraken because Coinbase had some issues where they couldn't keep liquidity levels and they had like a 30% blowout. So I got 25% of that arbitrage between Kraken and SEI, and then just kept amplifying my SEI bags. I kept trading rainbow blowouts, selling BART patterns, and then martingale entering back into them just over time and getting my original or getting my my bags built to a larger position.
So where do you think TIA is going?
It's weird. Have you noticed it somewhat syncs with SEI, and even Hasaka has been talking about it. Like SEI and TIA rotate between their pumps. But oftentimes one will get the party started, and then the other one will chase it even harder. Um, the one thing about TIA that I'm super bullish on is SWO 9K is independent of Altcoin Sherpa. I don't know if you know Altcoin Sherpa,
Yeah, I know.
but they're not in the same circle. And both of them were like independently talking to me about their thesis on TIA, as well as Doppel. Doppel's one of my OG rainbow traders. And I was like, there's three of these guys independently talking about the modularity of TIA.
Oh, I'm gonna chat with him, I think, and like Stacks maybe, and Friendo. Frendo's a good dude also.
Brendo's one of Doppel's buddies. He's a good dude too.
Yep. We're in a chat because they always end up on the spaces. We always have just like interesting conversations on the spaces. Actually, we had like a couple last month, or yeah, it was fun.
That raised a red flag for me to like laser focus in on TIA. I was like, 9K's talking about it, Doppel's talking about it, Altcoin Sherpa's talking about it, and they're in three separate circles.
Yeah.
I never see this, so I was like, I went hard on it, and it's been going crazy.
Did you get in like early in like the November?
Yes.
Nice.
I did over 100% spot trade on it, and then literally cut it in half and started trading SEI with that. And it's just I don't think I've done this type of trading since like 2017.
Yeah,
like,
this thing 10x.
Yeah, it's crazy, and it's not a pump and dump. It's the market It's hard to explain, but like there's certain things that paint colors in a way that are like sustainable moves, and then they start painting like repeatable colors, and it's like it makes it really easy for me to trade because what essentially what happens is like I can tell when they've blown out, and I'll just take profit, and I'll wait for it to mean revert back down over about a week, and then I'll get back in lower, and then I have to decide, do I amplify the amount of TI I had, or just get back to the original position and extract the rest into like USD to mess with other assets. But
you have anything around 1480 on TIA?
Let me pull it up. I don't know if you can see you'd have to look up Twitch to see my screen.
That's cool. I was just looking at it from 12-hour Kijun trending standpoint because it is
this is what's crazy. All right, so like you and I do not have same tools, but there's an order block between 14.8 and 15.3.
Yeah, there you go. So your daily Tenkin is going to be 1490. Yeah, I would look at like that as a level, like holding. That's your higher low off of essentially the 1260, and then you just continue the uptrend, I guess, because this coin seems to be bid. People like it. What is the average drop in the price on these moves down too? I would look at it.
I just tweeted you or DM'd you on Twitter. That's the chart. But typically it's been blowing out those reversion bands, resetting, and then going back up. But a lot of times it resets on those pivots or those order blocks that are in that thing. So we've got an order block at like 15.3 to 14.8, and then we've got another order block right here, which was 11.6 to 11.3 is what it swept before it went up. But
yeah, 1540 is an interesting one. You could take like all those lows, and then you would be touching the like tops of these candles in the 4 hour, like 1520, 1530, like right here.
Yeah. And then we're set. I mean, we've seen so many red days in crypto, and TIA and SEI just shook it off.
Yeah.
So it's like whoever's behind this market making it is committed for a long-term run. So it's like I'm starting to get mentally prepared to start locking stuff in to hit long-term capital gains.